books that I pull out today to, um, share with you what we do have. Also, we do have some cookbooks and things like that. I'll give you the description at the end of the link at the end of the book sale. But books are already on sale, 20% off already. And so far, so if you want to go to the Pango bookstore or check out some of the other um, videos that I have, you can do so as well. So, well, I'm going to go ahead and give you the link now. So if you did want to go ahead to the bookstore and check out the books and stuff that we have and so forth, then you can go ahead and do so. It is https semicolon / pangobooks.com / bookstore / Eunice EUNICE 261247. That is the link to my Pango bookstore, and you can go there and check out all the books that we do have listed and so forth. We're going to start off with the South Beach diet, and I know a lot of people are familiar with the South Beach diet and so far, and it has been out for a while, and a lot of people have really tried this, and it has worked for them. Also, too, you have the South Beach Diet Cookbook. Now, this is unfamiliar. I did not know that they had this and so forth. But yeah, this is the cookbook and so forth. And then you got the diet and so forth. And when you purchase this book here, you're going to get this one free, the South Beach Diet. So these two books do come together. So you have that one. Okay. And this is another book that is mainly for women to help women out and so forth with anti-aging, losing weight and things like that. This is called the 7 Years Younger, the Anti-Aging Breakthrough Diet, Lose 20 pounds or more and so forth. So a lot of people are trying to lose weight, not just for the appearance sake, but also for medical reason, health reason, and things like that. So when people are on diets and so forth, it's just not always to have a nice slim body and things like that. They actually, lose it for lose weight for health reason too, and also too losing weight, getting in your best shape and getting yourself healthy and so forth is a way to alleviate mental depression as well and so forth. So that is a good thing as well. Let's get rid of mental depression, because a lot of people who are obese and are heavy and so forth are depressed and so forth, and we want people to be healthy and healthy as they can be and all this and so forth. And this particular book here, because it says 7 years younger, anti-aging, may have a lot to do with appearance. You just want to slim down to look your best and things like that, which is still nothing wrong with that at all. Okay, so we have this one here. Okay, for moms and so forth that are working, especially for those moms who are have kids in school, who has all these after school programs to go to and so forth. This is a good book for meals in minutes and so forth. Great healthy recipes in this book and so forth for the entire family, so that you can go ahead and feed your family a good meal that's quick and in a hurry and so forth, where you don't have to take a long time standing over the stove preparing meals and so forth and things like that, and get the same health benefits and so forth that you would if you had stood over the stove. And also, this book has a special feature. So when you also use these recipes in this book, they do have a little slot here where you can add or change anything in these recipes that you want to. So when you want to go back and make that same meal, you have these ingredients and so forth that you have added in yourself. So yeah, this is a great book and so forth to help you out, to help you create your own meals in minute, or help to exchange, to change, and or to enhance these particular meals and so forth and everything. So this is a great little book to have in your kitchen. Okay, we do have a guide to pregnancy, and definitely decided to pick this book up and so forth, based on the fact that we do have a whole lot of young pregnancies and so far. And I thought it would be good for, young ladies and so far to, get into this, read this guide and so forth, and know all that to help them out, and everything. Because I think the more you understand about this, more you understand about pregnancy, the better off you're going to be, because there's all kinds of issues that can come up during pregnancies and things like that. So it's good to have some knowledge and so far about pregnancy, especially when you're young. Okay. And for those girls who love young juvenile books and so forth, this is a great little set right here. Uh, Okay, that one. Yeah, this is a great little set right here. Let me get all the books together. It's 4 books really, and so far. And this is the Sarah Shepherd book here. We do have a lot of Four Pretty Little Liar, and so far, and these are great reads for young ladies, juveniles, and juvenile readers and things like that. Great little book to read and all that. And this particular book here, this is not the first edition, which I'm so disappointed because this book is over $100 first edition. But anyway, this is a print, so this is the reason why we're selling all these books together for a better profit and so far. But yeah, the first edition of this book is over $100 and so far. But you can get these books here, I think, for like $30. And so for great read and all that, great read and so far. So when you are sourcing books and so forth, always try to make sure you get a first edition if you can and all that, because they are worth money more than the reprints and things like that. So that's a good tip right here. And this is a great read if you have a daughter, young daughter, and things like that and so forth. School age readers and things like that. This is a great little book for them. This would be great to keep them busy after during the summer when you're out of school right here. Okay. All righty. Now I definitely was going to pick this up because this is another. We do have a whole lot of cookbooks. Yes, we do. This is Classic Receipt Home Cooking right here. This is a great little book to have and everything. And it had actually 3 books and an organizer. I won't take that part out. But yeah, 3 books and an organizer here. You do have an appetizer, main dish, and dessert. Now, if you are entertaining and you have some people or family coming over and all that, and you want to set the complete stage from appetizer to main dish to desserts and things like that, this is a great little book and so forth to have in your kitchen and everything to help you to get set up with that, because this is what I call a 3-course meal. When you eat the main your main course, you get an appetizer first, main course, and then dessert. A 3-course meal. That's what I call this and so forth. And if you're entertaining and so forth, you might want to give your guest a 3-course meal. Okay. And this is a cute little book and so forth. And this is actually also actually in gift giving. So if you wanted to get this and give it to someone as a gift, it is in gift giving condition. These books are in new condition and so forth, along with the box as well. Okay. So much is going on about the history of the U.S. and things like that. I picked these books up because these are Reader Digest, and they usually have like 5 or 6 stories in one book. As you can see, these are the stories in these 2 particular books here, and all that. And it gives you the story of Kathleen the Great, Walt Disney. It gives you the biography, the history of these people, places, and things. and so forth. And I think this is a great read and so forth. I have not taken the time to actually read how Walt Disney came about and so forth, but I do know that it was a man that was named Walt or something like that. Is he owned I guess started Walt Disney's and so forth. But if you wanted to read how Walt Disney started out and so forth, this is a great book to read. And there's a lot of other important people, places, and things in this book here. And you get both of these books on Walt Disney Reader Digest. Great biographies is what these is and so forth, and it gives you the history, the biography of these great important people, places, and things. Okay. For you readers who love mystery, crime, drama, and all this and that, I'll give you J.D. Robb. I love these books and so far. I love let's see, what is her name? Uh I can't think of her name right a second. But anyway, these titles will give you like, yes, I want to read these. Payback in Death, Treachery in Death, Kinder in Death, and so forth. Oh, Nora Roberts. Okay. Is the writer, the author of J.D. Robb. This is her pen name, J.D. Robb. She also do write romance novels and things like that, but she also writes the J.D. Robb's great little mystery crime books and things like that. So I love it. You get all three of these and so forth. And I just love it. And we do have another book with Nora Roberts. Um, I think it's Strangers in Death. And that particular book is did not come in J.D. Robb. It came actually in her name, not the pen name and so forth. And we do have that and all that. So, for people who love little pets and so forth and things like that, Happy Healthy Pets. This is a book here, or two little books here. One is for lovebirds, and I do know a few people that do have these particular birds. These birds are big sellers, cost a lot of money and so forth for these birds and things like that. So this is a great little book to help you to learn how to take care of these little birds, how to, um, set up their living quarters, and it just gives you a whole lot of information about lovebirds. I would not purchase any lovebirds unless I did go to a book and do a whole research and learn about them and things like that. So this is for the lovebirds. And I really don't know who is interested in frogs and toads, but I'm pretty sure some people are. And this is a book here that'll give you all the information about that as well, about frogs and toads and things like that. It tells you how to take care of these little pets and things like that. So I was excited to get those couple little books, especially when I seen the lovebirds and the frogs and toads, because there are two books and so forth. And I like to do the combo. I like to lock books up at least with two, maybe three or more, whatever, and so forth is the reason I also picked up the Frogs and Toads to go along with the Lovebird books and so forth. So you're actually gonna get both of these books and so forth and things like that. If you're interested and so forth, or you may know somebody that's interested in Frogs and Toads, and you want to, you know, let them have that book and so forth to help them out. So anyway, thank you for joining me today on a Sunday. This is our usually regular day to do our Pango book sale. Again, those books are already on sale. All you have to do is just go to my Pango book store and pick them up. Also, too, you can also go to my eBay store and pick some of these books up that I do sell, because I do put some of the books on eBay as well. So you can also check that out, and that will also be down in the description box and so far and everything. And so I will see you guys until the next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye.